What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today I'm going to talk about the new DLSS 4.5 model that NVIDIA just released in the CES 2026, and man, it is an absolute beast for your RTX gaming machines. Now in this video I'm going to tell you about the features of DLSS 4.5, and then I'm going to tell you how you can enable it on your RTX gaming machines. So let's start with the features. DLSS 4.5 comes with second generation super resolution transformer model, which is going to deliver like best image quality in performance mode, and it's going to basically match your native rendering image quality with zero coasting. That means you won't be able to tell the difference between DLSS mode and the native resolution, which is like fantastic. And it's already available for more than 400 games. Then you're going to get 6 times the frame generation on the RTX 50 series GPUs, which means it's going to give you insane frame rates in the modern AAA titles with the path tracing enabled. The last feature is dynamic multi-frame generation, which is like the best feature you're going to get in DLSS 4.5. What it does is it smartly matches with your monitor's refresh rate, like 144 or 240 Hz, and it's going to give you buttery smooth action without losing a single game. It's not going to give you those stutters or clipping in the games. That means even in higher frame rates like 240 or more, it's going to give you buttery smooth gameplay. So now I'm going to tell you how you can enable this. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is go to your NVIDIA Experience app, go to Settings, About, and enable this early access, which is going to be disabled by default. You have to enable it here manually, and then go to Drivers. From here, you have to select the leading edge driver, refresh if you don't see an update. Most probably it's going to show you a new update available for your graphics card. Once you see the update, download it, install it, and restart your machine once, just to be sure. Now once you restart your PC, go to NVIDIA Experience app again, go to the graphics, go to global settings. So here you have to locate the DLSS override, click here, go to latest, and hit apply. So once you do this, your graphics card is going to use DLSS 4.5 for all the supported games that you're going to run on your PC. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.